In today's video, we will be discussing profile picture error in Windows 11 after installing the latest cumulative update KB5036980. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. Microsoft has recently rolled out cumulative update KB5036980 for Windows 11 with new features. However, it appears that this update breaks the account profile picture feature, as it prevents users from changing their Windows account profile picture. According to reports, when they try to change the profile picture after installing the update, they are seeing an error message that reads account picture error. This picture couldn't be saved with this error code. At present, there is no official solution available for this issue. Microsoft has acknowledged the problem and assured users that they are actively working on a resolution, which will be included in a forthcoming Windows update. In the meantime, as suggested by one user on Reddit, there's a quick workaround to fix the issue. Here's what you need to do. First, convert the image you want to set as a profile picture to PNG format, and then copy it. After that, you need to navigate to the following location and paste the PNG file. After that, head over to Account Pictures folder and paste the image. Now, restart your computer and you will see the new profile picture. As simple as that. Why don't you try this solution and let us know in the comments if this fixes the issue for you or not. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.